Good morning. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news around the world. Today I give you update about Galwan Valley. Amid the attacks from the opposition that PM Narendra Modi made contradictory claims and said the Chinese troops did not enter Indian territory. The government said on Saturday that an attempt is being made to give a mischievous interpretation to the remarks made by the Prime Minister. Issuing a clarification over PM Narendra Modi's remarks that no one has entered Indian territory or captured any military post. The PM's office said that the Indian soldiers foiled the transition attempt of the Chinese side and to erect structures in Ladakh on June 15. The clarification by PMO comes after several Congress leaders raised questions on PM Modi's remarks and asked if there was no transition by the Chinese, how did the Indian soldiers die? In a statement, PM's office said attempts are being made in some quarters to give a mischievous interpretation to remark by the Prime Ministers at the all-party meeting yesterday. It also said that an unnecessary controversy was being created to lower the soldiers' morale. The PMO has further said, as regards transaction of LAC, it was clearly stated that the violence in Galwan on June 15 arose because Chinese was seeking the erect structure just across the LAC and refused to desist from such actions. The sacrifices of our soldiers of the 16th Bihar Regiment foiled the attempt of the Chinese side to erect structures and also cleared the attempted transitions at this point of LAC on that day. The Prime Minister's observations that there was no Chinese presence on our side of the LAC pertained to the situation as a consequence of the bravery of our armed forces, the PMO said. The remarks come after several opposition leaders, including Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and P. Chidambaram, said Modi's comments were baffling as they stand in contradiction to what Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Foreign Minister Jaishankar and the Indian Army has said so far about Galwan clash. PMO has clarified words of Prime Minister, those who tried to transgress our land were tough, a baffling lesson by our brave sons of soil. Sincerely stump up the ethos and the values of our armed forces. Chidambaram said on Saturday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's remark that no outsider was inside Indian territory in Ladakh had particularly left everyone baffled and bewildered. That's it from today. I, Vinay Kumar, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.